Get paid $10 in 10 minutes? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. And we're talking about easy PayPal money here. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick till the end so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you here today. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of the video because for now we want to get started to make $10 in 10 minutes. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! Alright, so the site that we are going to have a closer look today here is Crowdology.com. Crowdology.com, this is how it looks when you arrive to the site, and you can clearly see here, share your opinions, earn a little extra, and you get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete, so you can spend it on the things you love. If we scroll down a little bit here, you can see here we experienced in working with leading brands who wants to know what you think about their products and services. That's why we pay you for every single survey you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend as you wish, whether it's a treat for someone close to you or something nice for yourself. So we can clearly see here that it's not something that you can get rich on, which makes it one more reason actually to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. Let's move on here. You can see here Crowdology surveys are quick and easy. Our online surveys typically take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete, so are easy to fit into your day, whether you're filling in time on your journey to work during a break or simply over a cup of coffee. So by scrolling down a little bit here, you can clearly see the amount you get paid. It depends on the length, of course. So it starts from 40 cents and it goes up to $10 here. So it totally depends on the survey, how in depth, how complicated it is, the more you will earn, the more, of course. And because you can also withdraw money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches $8, it's quick and easy to make a little extra. So this is where the easy PayPal money comes in, because it is a low payout, okay? So $8 is not so much, so you can quickly make this money here. There is also another opportunity, and it is actually you can win a prize as an added bonus. So it's definitely something that we are going to have a look at here real soon. But first, let's have a look here. Leading brands are ready and waiting to hear your opinion. So as it said earlier here, there are brands that comes to this site, they hire this site, actually Crowdology, because they want to have feedback to improve the site, the products and so on, and that is where you can come in by filling in that survey, of course. So if you go to the section where it says surveys here, you can see here it more or less explains everything as we had a look at earlier here. Engaging surveys, cash rewards, current topics, real companies, and quick to complete. Has a very good reputation. You can do a quick search on Google actually for yourself. So you can see here mark Crowdology emails as safe. As soon as you register, remember to mark emails as safe so that our paid surveys don't end up in your junk, spam or promo folders. It's definitely something you should do anyway with all the emails that you consider you want to receive, of course, otherwise it might end up in the spam folder there. You complete your profile and then you respond ASAP, as soon as possible. And here they explain why they run paid online surveys. You can see it is actually, as I said earlier here, let's say a company wants to improve the way their website works and how easy it is for you to find what you're looking for. The product guy, an absolute creative genius, has come up with a host of ideas and wants to install them on the website. But before he has a free rein to make changes, the customer experience manager steps in and suggests that you ask for an opinion on this idea. Of course, it is if it's worth to proceed on or not. So there is a blog section here, you can have a look at it also, and of course the FAQ. So what is market research? Market research is the activity of gathering information about consumer needs and preferences. The opinions and information gathered are used by organizations to shape their products and services. And it explains here what Crowdology is exactly. It is the fastest growing online panel where members complete paid surveys for market research. Okay, so it can be from businesses, agencies, education, media and government contact us to gather information and opinions from our panelists. And I'm not going to read everything here because you can have a look at it for yourself, but you can see here the length, actually what interests us. Most of our surveys take between 5 and 10 minutes, perfect for a coffee break between meetings or the bus, the ride home, or whatever you are doing there. By having a look at the rewards and payment section, how much can I expect to earn for completing surveys? It more or less explains what we talked about earlier here. So our longer studies pay up to $10, while the majority of our quickly coffee break surveys pays anywhere from 24 cents to $2. Okay, so it is the amount that sums it up here, that you can earn a few extra bucks here. But as I said earlier, once again, you earn only some extra money with this. You're not going to get rich here. All right. Let's scroll down. How do I redeem my rewards? You can see here via PayPal, or if you prefer Amazon gift certificates, you simply follow these steps here and you get paid, actually, as I said, after they have the minimum of $8 in your account. You can actually request the payout and you will get it transferred into your PayPal account. There is also the security and privacy, which is really important also, by the way. Let's not forget it, but have a look at the details here for yourself. So they do take care of the privacy there for sure. Alright, there you have it. Just go to crowdology.com and have a look at the details for yourself. Get started, sign up to earn some extra money there. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is not something that you are going to get rich on. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation at the link that you will see right here below this video. If you got some value here, please make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. Subscribe to both. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.